Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best auto-drive dash cam is probably one of the most essential pieces of technology for any driver today, offering peace of mind and invaluable evidence in case of an accident or incident on the road. This device meticulously records your journeys, capturing crucial details like speed, location, and video footage, ensuring you're always protected. Whether you're commuting daily, embarking on a long road trip, or simply want an extra layer of security, a reliable dash cam is an investment that pays dividends in safety and confidence behind the wheel. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. Capture your journeys in stunning 4K Ultra HD. With an 8MP sensor, you'll see every detail with unparalleled clarity, far surpassing other dash cams. Even in low light, our revolutionary Super Night Vision ensures clear footage. Instantly connect to your smartphone with built-in Wi-Fi 6. Use the ROVE app to view, download, and share your recordings at speeds up to 6 MB/s, right from your iPhone or Android device. Never lose your way with the integrated GPS. It accurately records your driving location and speed, allowing you to review your routes on Google Maps. Plus, enjoy hassle-free over-the-air firmware updates. This device is packed with state-of-the-art technology. It includes a supercapacitor, a wide 150-degree lens, parking mode, motion detection, and a G-sensor for emergency video locking. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty. Our USA-based customer care team is ready to assist you via text or email, ensuring any issues are resolved quickly. What we like. Experience unparalleled clarity with its 4K UHD recording, capturing every detail on the road. Its advanced Wi-Fi 6 ensures swift video transfers to your phone, perfect for quick sharing. If you prioritize the absolute best video quality and seamless connectivity for social media sharing, this is the dash cam for you. What people say. The video quality is surprisingly good, even at night. Easy to install and set up, took me less than 5 minutes. The wide-angle lens captures a lot of the road. Number 4. Nexar Pro Dual Dash Cam with 1-year subscription. Introducing the Nexar Pro Dual Dash Cam. It records in crystal clear HD, both front and inside, ensuring you capture every moment on the road. With its superior night vision and wide recording angles, it's perfect for all drivers. You can drive with extra confidence, knowing everything is recorded in high quality. This versatile dash camera installs in minutes and fits seamlessly into any vehicle. It's the easy choice for 24/7 vehicle protection. Powered by Bosch technology, it features a wide 135 degrees exterior angle with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Your recordings are securely stored with unlimited cloud access. Unlock the full potential with your included 1-year Nexar app subscription. Enjoy features like unlimited cloud storage, parking mode, and easy access to recordings. Built with cutting-edge features, it provides drivers with confidence. Feel secure knowing your passengers and vehicle are in good hands. Need assistance? Our support team is readily available through the Nexar app. Simply navigate to help and contact us for any issues. What we like. This offers a comprehensive view with its dual front and inside cameras, ensuring you capture everything. The included year of unlimited cloud storage provides ultimate peace of mind for your footage. If you're looking for complete interior and exterior coverage with the convenience of cloud backup, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The dash cam has a clear video quality, capturing license plates and road signs even at a distance. Installation was straightforward, and the compact design doesn't obstruct the driver's view. The loop recording feature ensures that important footage is not overwritten, and the G-sensor automatically saves footage in case of impact. Number 3. GKU 4K plus 1080p Dual Dash Cam. Capture your drives in stunning detail with dual cameras. The front records in brilliant 4K and the rear in crisp 1080p, ensuring every moment is recorded clearly, even in low light. Connect effortlessly to your smartphone with built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Easily stream live footage, download videos, and adjust settings right from the app. Never miss a moment with seamless loop recording that automatically overwrites old footage. The built-in G-sensor also locks critical video files in case of impact, protecting your evidence. Keep your vehicle protected around the clock. With an optional hardware kit, it continues to record even when your car is parked, capturing any incidents. Designed to be compact and hidden behind your rearview mirror, it offers a clear view without obstruction. Installation is simple, and it automatically starts recording when you start your car. This device is built to perform in extreme temperatures, from freezing cold to scorching heat. It comes with a 64GB SD card and supports large storage capacities for all your recordings. Purchase with confidence thanks to our extended guarantee and dedicated customer support. We're here to ensure your peace of mind on every journey. What we like. Get stunning dual-channel recording with 4K front and 1080p rear clarity, ensuring no blind spots. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi offers rapid access to your footage via the app for easy management. If you need a robust dual-camera system with fast connectivity and a generous included storage, this is a great option. What people say. The auto-drive dash cam has a clear and crisp video quality, capturing details even in low light conditions. Installation was straightforward, and a compact design of the dash cam makes it unobtrusive on the windshield. The loop recording feature ensures that you never run out of storage space, automatically overriding older footage. Number 2. YEECORE D22 Real 4K Dash Cam. Capture your journeys in stunning native 4K resolution with our advanced dual dash cam. It features a top-tier sensor and unique noise reduction for incredibly clear footage, unlike fake 4K alternatives. This dual camera system records both the front and rear views of your vehicle with ultra-wide angles. It ensures you have comprehensive coverage to avoid disputes and protect yourself from liability. Equipped with a superior 8MP sensor and HDR technology, it excels in low-light conditions. You'll get clear videos and images even at night, providing reliable performance around the clock. Connect instantly with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for quick video downloads and live viewing via our app. The built-in GPS accurately tracks your location and speed, with a simple, integrated design. With loop recording and a G-sensor, it automatically saves crucial footage during an accident. This ensures your evidence is protected and won't be overwritten, even when storage is full. Enjoy a clear and comfortable view on the new 3.3-inch IPS screen. Its eye-friendly design and optimal aspect ratio make viewing videos easy, even during night drives. Benefit from enhanced security with 4 advanced parking modes. Choose the best option for your needs to ensure your vehicle is protected around the clock when parked. What we like. This dash cam boasts a native 4K sensor for truly authentic high-resolution footage, complemented by superior night vision. Its 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi provides exceptionally fast video downloads. If you demand the highest fidelity in video capture, especially in challenging lighting, and value speed, this is the one to consider. What people say. The dash cam has a clear video quality, capturing license plates and road details effectively. Easy to install and set up, the user interface is intuitive and straightforward. The loop recording feature ensures continuous coverage without worrying about storage space. Number 1. SJoyBring QLED 7 double-din car stereo. Experience effortless connectivity. As you get into your car, your phone syncs automatically, bringing your favorite apps, music, and navigation right to your dashboard. It's like your car is an extension of your phone. Elevate your drive with superior sound. This system offers robust audio output, perfect for connecting aftermarket amplifiers and subwoofers. Enjoy your music like never before. Stay connected with our advanced Bluetooth system. Enjoy stable, faster, and clearer wireless streaming for music and calls. The built-in microphone ensures crystal-clear conversations and accurate voice control for safer driving. See everything in brilliant detail on the 7-inch QLED HD screen. It supports high-definition video playback and allows you to mirror your smartphone screen for easy access to maps and apps. Physical buttons, including a rotating volume control, make operation simple and safe. Drive with confidence thanks to the built-in dash camera. It captures Ultra HD video with a wide-angle lens, automatically saving your journey. Never miss a moment on the road. Parking just got easier and safer. This system includes an HD night vision backup camera with a wide viewing angle. It displays the rear view automatically when you shift into reverse, helping you park with ease. What we like. This unit seamlessly integrates a dash cam with a 7-inch QLED HD touchscreen, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It provides a complete infotainment and safety solution in one. If you want to upgrade your car's interior with a modern, feature-rich system that includes essential dashcam functionality, this is the perfect all-in-one upgrade. What people say. The auto-drive dashcam captures clear video footage, even in low-light conditions, ensuring you have reliable evidence if an incident occurs. Its compact and discreet design makes it easy to install without obstructing your view, and it seamlessly blends into your car's interior. The loop recording feature automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the memory card is full, so you don't have to worry about managing storage space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.